One of the cases abantu abasazi ngayo wabulawa former soccer player Shakira, who used to play I think for Golden Arrows and Sundowns. So Shakira wakidnap, wawathatha, washawa, wabulawa. And all the criminals esazithola through social media. We did the investigation, we discovered ukuthi abobani, we posted them on Facebook. Because they were scared ukuthi masingabathola kuqala ngcono batholwe amaphoyisa. They kept walking a police station. I remember one of the colonels who was from the province asking us, said, why abantu bayizela la basabani abantu? And we said, we don't know, not Kennedy. All we did, we said abazizele singabatholi. So all 7 of them, in fact, we arrested one. All 6 of them, they kept coming a police station. Ngizobathatha zonke iyangifuna ithi ngize police station. Ngizobathatha zonke iyangifuna. And from that case, we were able to unearth another case made. Because bese bathukile umuntu avela confess ukuthi hayi mina le iphathi yami ibencane mina yimi lo ngakwazi ubani bani washona.